escort boys down to the office now.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna cry.
Do you want to go?
Right there or something.
Yeah, why don't you go back there?
And I'll. Wait, I won't be able to catch their face unless I'm right here with you. Miss Taylor, you better have tissues.
Where's your brother?
Hold him for a minute. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm sorry. It's a good thing you were paying attention, huh? There you go.
Here he comes. I think he's coming.
Is your brother coming?
I'll just.
Well, why don't you just stay right there? Okay, well, tell him, come on. Come on. Come on. Run.
This time he can run.
Would you please do me one favor? When you come in, I want you to go down to the principal's office because she needs to talk to you about some things. You aren't in trouble or anything.
Here's a joy. Oh, look at my big
The car riders to the gym. Dismiss the car riders
but he's in
and
trouble.
take care of the riders to the gym. Thank you.
You wanted me to come home, huh? What about you? You ready for me to come home? Okay. You guys hungry? No? You're not hungry? You're not hungry at all? No. Thank you.
You're welcome.